I made this piece in Tilt Brush with an Oculus Quest 2, but as it's quite big, it needs to be linked to a powerful gaming PC. I only used one brush for the entire piece, the marker, and a box and capsule guide. I used Picasso's painting of Girl Before a Mirror as my inspiration and brought the painting in for reference. For the finished piece, I selected, grouped, then copied the figures in various sizes and pasted them everywhere. Thanks for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and please subscribe. Bye.